Good afternoon, everybody, and greetings from the admissions office at East Mississippi Community College. I'm Tawana Bauer, Associate Director of Admissions on the Golden Triangle campus, and we have Miss Danielle Hobson, who is Associate Director of Admissions on the Scuba campus. We are both here to and very eager to serve you and walk you through the admissions process. The first step in applying is to go to our website at eastms.edu and click the link that says Apply Now. There's also a wonderful checklist on that website that can help walk you through each step of the admissions process. But I'm going to take this opportunity to guide you through a few of those steps. So go to the website, Apply Now. It will first prompt you to create an account. At that point, you will verify that account with the email that you used. And once that account is verified, you will at that point be able to go into the application and submit an application for admissions on the campus and program of your choosing. Once you submit that application, there will be other things you need to submit to complete your admissions. These things would be an official high school transcript or an official college transcript for those who are possibly transferring to us. Those must be sent officially. So for an official high school transcript, that needs to come directly from your high school counselor, or you are welcome to send it to us as long as it is in a sealed envelope from your high school. For the official college transcripts, you have that option too, to have it physically mailed, or we have the capability of eScript or parchment that you can have those sent officially to us. Once all of your supplemental items are received, then at that point we can admit you. And once admitted, you will receive an admissions email. It will give you your EMCC student email as well as your ID number. These two items will be your life at EMCC because of one main reason is it allows you to log on to your LEO account. LEO is all things EMCC for students. You can pay your bills there, you can check on your financial aid status, you can see your schedule, you can print verification of enrollment. There's lots of great things on your student LEO portal. But once logged on to LEO, you will need to keep all of that information safe because you will need to log on to that numerous times. You also will have access to Canvas through your LEO account, which Canvas is our online portal for classes. But also in the acceptance email, you will get your next steps, which is very important, right? You've been admitted, so your next step, what do I do? Well, you want to register for classes. And so it will tell you the next step on how to contact an advisor or how an advisor will contact you to set up classes. We are here to help you in the admissions office at EMCC. We are located on the GT campus in the Student Services building with a big sign that says Lion Central. And on the Scuba campus, they are located in the Student Union building with Lion Central over their office door. So please give me, Tawana or Danielle on the Scuba campus a call. GT number is 662-243-1920. Scuba number is 662-476-5079. We're here to serve, so let us know how we can help you.